Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make oat flour in 2 minutes. Oat flour is healthy because it's rich in fiber, vitamins B, A, and E, and minerals. It improves digestion, normalizes cholesterol and blood sugar levels, promotes weight loss, strengthens the nervous system, and is also good for the heart, skin, and hair. What flour do you cook with most often? Place whole rolled oats in a food processor. Blend until the flour is smooth and lump-free. In just 2 minutes, you'll have healthy and delicious flour. Tell me in the comments what city and country you're watching my video from. I'm very interested. Thanks for watching this video to the end. Subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with more quick and healthy recipes.